Speaking for slang, we never stop, we on the run. For number one, someone is stand, Commons Khan. Bob's got a beat going on, and now we're flowing on it. So chalo sama kabo sako bolo zo sangana. Get your shit right. Go back up on your saba.
Speaking for Stan podcast with Wiki Demdwa, and I'm hanging out with Intono Muyelo Mfana. I'm talking about Vince the Mastermind. You might be familiar with the name if you are living around the areas of Hammanskraal, Kentwana Mokasi. Just a cool boy, and today he has a very different story to run with and a different problem. Believe me, bafana ba so le bona ba sokola bana le mathata bona ibile ska bona hana hore bafana ba so ba phela thata. So this is real, and maybe le wena o yellow bonus somewhere na le mathata and nzo sa itse hona le motho ka khono bolelang ka ona. But ka jeno, I'm going to put him in the corner just to say all the things that are troubling him. Vince the Mastermind. I'm a biggest fan, by the way, my brother.
Demdwa, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really, what an intro.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Yellow bone.
What if you skin bleach?
Aye, sabonala sanete. Sabonala skin bleach. Ya bonala le pente ya manete. Plus corner straight.
Hey, Tara. No, thank you. Thank you so much for the invitation. I feel honored and privileged to be in your presence, because like people like you were to Lauren Road, they're like, oh, I want to be like this guy one day. So thank you so much for the invitation, and then I'm glad that I honored.
And you know, Vince, like this is a very different topic from all the topics that I've done.
Okay.
This is a very different topic, and I'm happy that you agreed to talk about this. In fact, when I approached you, I didn't know you have problems. But I was like, you know what, I'm going to take my chances. I want to do a different topic away from what I usually do.
Yeah.
So, Vince the Mastermind, for people who don't know you, you can just give them a brief history of who Vincent is.
Okay, quick one. My name is Vince the Mastermind, a radio personality and a TV personality, and I'm the guy who grew up Kolimpopo Bokhoma Malibo. That's where I originally come from. But for brand growth, hustling, everything, come on, gotta give it to Hamitown. So I came to Hammanskraal to further my studies, and then that exposure into media, there's a lot of them. List is endless. So I've learned a lot from people like you. So yeah, I'm an actor, a radio personality, and a motivational speaker, beauty pageant guru. So MC.
Yes, so you also into this beauty pageants and stuff. So do you also do the advert, maybe it's about the underwear and stuff? If you were given an opportunity or to advertise underwear,
yeah, you know what? I can do that because it's something beauty, and which means like let's just say you're an ambassador or whatever. Angry if or please come and advertise our brand. I can do that as well, because I sent to Lorengare I'm afraid or or maybe confident, because I remember beauty pageant is all about beauty. It's all about showcase your talent body wise, because body is an art anyway. So that's where I come from, because back in the days, Kodi primary school, we used to call them Mr. Personality. Nowadays they call them beauty pageant. So we used to wear underwears and in front of audience. So it's my baby.
Maro, when I salaka underwear, like
no.
Are you confident enough for no? I can take off my pants and salaka underwear go beaching.
Look,
this guy that I saw on TikTok.
Yeah,
he's known on social media and underwear, and he was grilled.
You know what? It doesn't matter in life. People will always say something about you.
Yeah.
Whether you, we as men. Mostly ladies they complain we don't see that thing there. It doesn't matter. What's important, there's zeros in your account, and people will always have something to talk about anyway, whether you do good or bad.
You don't worry about the print,
whether it's there or not, I don't care. As long as I'm putting zeros in my account, as long as I'm securing the bag, that's what's important.
So my brother, because I just want to understand, how did you know you were a good-looking guy, you were a handsome guy? Is it something that came to you as growing up, watching the mirror, and you were like, I'm kind of hot, I'm kind of cool, or it is something that was affirmed by people?
Okay, Wiki, sometimes when you're at home or in your hood where you grew up, and then most of the time you hear compliments. People are complimenting you. Yo, look, Wiki, you looking good. You're cute. You're a good looking guy. So from the younger age, I was getting compliments. Moiloring, not only from the female aspect, from also Limadita or Ejo, bra. You look watela. And then it came to a point Moiloring, even most of the guys, they now feel uncomfortable me being around their ladies or their girls at the time we were young. Then I said, oh, this is serious. Why but baba in too insecure when I'm around? When other guys that are there, they are cool. Majitaba wana baba kanu chill banyana baba wana all that. But if it's me, then it's different. I'm not allowed to sit next to his girlfriend. I'm not allowed to text his girlfriend. I'm not allowed to accompany the girlfriend. Oh, why am I different? What is wrong with me? Then people will be like, hey Joe, but jealous ka wena. They feel they baba insecure when you are in their presence. Baba insecure. So I'll be like, oh, okay, why? Because you're a good looking guy. Okay. And then other people, they were also saying, hey Joe, you should join Mr. Personality, because back then we used to call them the Mr. Personality and all that. Hey Joe, Mr. Personality, you will win. And then yes, back in the days I joined that, competing with other guys, winning awards. There's plenty of awards that I've won. Joe, I think you should be an actor. You should be on TV. You should do 1, 2, 3. They'll be like, okay, which means this is true. Maybe I'm really a good looking guy.
I want to hear it from your own mouth.
Yeah.
I want you to tell me, Horwiki, nah, I am handsome.
You know what? Most of the time, because people are saying that, Vincent, you were a good looking guy, so I'm just following their tune. Or okay, maybe Lina, I'm hot, as they're saying.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm different. Maybe I'm a good looking guy. Maybe I'm cute.
So Leno also say
I don't know. Mara, I know tomorrow morning if I can bath and then go into work.
So isn't there a time you feel like, yeah, guys, you know, I'm gonna kill this motherfuckers. Guys, you know, kilo batu.
As soon as get clap, I know there's a lady be like, who show me look at that guy every single day.
Yeah.
And even beside walking out, when I open my DMs, when I open on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, when I check my things, I mean, there's no begging a fella if kissing a naughty or a denote more demons. I go, hi, where are you staying? Are you married? Do you have a girlfriend? So it's right.
So you also get nudes, like randomly fella. You open your DMs and wala kasha, here's the nude.
It's funny because I even get a note from strangers. I can get a note from somebody from Malawi, from Nigeria, from Lesotho, from and then I'll be asking myself, what's wrong with these people? I mean,
so your nude collection must get last number. Do you keep them?
Okay, remember, I have to be in a relationship and things like that. I delete most of the time. But I know that
there's some you keep.
I see, as a man, sometimes I can be in trouble. My mom, I know she'll be watching this one day, or my cousins, my elders, and whatnot. I'm not allowed to keep them, but they keep on coming. Even if I can do, they keep on coming. And the funny part, I get to they keep on coming. And I'm afraid the banyana or somebody that I'm going to marry one day be like, what's Hana? Maybe I'm not hot like the one that they normally receive. You understand that? So I'm trying to keep it cool.
So for you, receiving nudes is just a normal thing.
It's just something that I like. I just know how to do. Lindsay, I guess sometimes maybe you posted something on Facebook or on Twitter or Instagram, just on in the morning, waking up and going to prepare to go to work, and I'll be like, "Are you kidding me?" Why? I said, hi, do you know me? Why?
But didn't say, do they arouse you?
Come on, I'm a real nigga. Okay, I respect the gay stuff and all that. I'm a real man. Of course, as soon as I see boobs, as soon as I see that, and also they don't even they're not afraid.
They don't hide their faces.
Oh, come on. I got to know this thing, and I'm feeling to understand because I remember the president signed this thing already. If we can get a picture go online, then you will sue me.
Yeah.
Hey, these people are not afraid. They don't care, and then some of them they've never met me before. They don't care whether I'm married or single or having family or not. Keep on coming.
So big I feel also news.
It's very rare. It's very rare. And it's fine, I don't even ask them, hey? And then it's funny, sometimes I just can take my time and then be like, okay, this person sent me this. Let me just go to a timeline. You'll find that she's with the boyfriend.
Yeah.
I mean, how do you send me a naked picture while you are in a relationship? Some of them, they're even married.
Wow.
Or the woman, somebody who when you scroll the picture, when you're checking, this person is having everything. This person is like, she's married. Scrolling down, checking. Hey man, this person was wearing a white wedding.
Wasn't there a point you took advantage of your looks? Like Luena Witora, no
You know what? There's a lot that is happening right now. I'm scared because remember I'm working on TV and radio and all that. So nowadays, these people that normally send you pictures, you have to know how even other people that are in media industry, they can agree with this. This scam. Okay. I remember I was watching this other podcast. I remember the guy McG saying, never ever believe a woman who come to you at a gig saying, I want to have sex with you or I want to sleep with you. Never ever trust that particular person because you don't know her real intentions. Like uno scammer, sleep with her, she'll take a picture and then trend. Oh, he's fucking around. Oh, he's changing girls. Or she's early in the morning. You see what's going to happen to my career now.
Yeah.
So for taking advantage, no, I'm just scared. I rather go for someone that I know.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then le ladies ba bana lo romela bo mme ba bagolo like sugar mamas. Or bona ba romela fela di chelet or something. Like, isn't there a point you feel like you need to use this to your benefit?
Let me tell you something, Wiki. Speaking of sugar mamas, most women that are moneyed, they like pretty guys. Recently, there was Chris Brown performing in South Africa. There was a lot of ladies out there. Some of them, they even flew from Nigeria, from Malawi to South Africa. And these people took flights. They paid for a hotel. They paid for flights and all that. So what I can say to you is that, speaking of sugar mamas, these people, they are loaded. You understand that? And then Bababatla hunk, good looking guys, just for you be in her presence or to be her while she's with her friends. That's what she want. Calling you, yeah. No break a fella. Oh, chomi na kiskimile mugai. Like look, sometimes when I sitting at home, I'll phone like a video call. Just wanna like brag or I have money and then I can date whoever I want. Look at my guy. He's a good looking guy. He's sexy. Hunk. When I do muscle, all those things.
But I feel point out mo bonang hore mar mo ka re byanong ho slehe ho rafo ho nyewa ho nyake hazaka. Should a lady offer me to chow her and then amfasaka nga dikenela like le bana le agreement sharp?
I know my mom maybe one day will watch this thing. Let me tell you something. This is a true story. There's a woman, and there was a woman I used to date. We were dating, right? She promised me heaven and earth. I don't want to drop names. She promised me heaven and earth, saying, hey, if you can impregnate me, I will buy you this and this and this and this. Name them. At the name, is or like BMW, right? I'll buy you this car that you want. I'll give you this percentage. We tried the relationship, to be honest with you. We tried that. But whatever that she was promising me, she didn't give me that. She was just giving me descent. You understand that? Descent. And I was saying,
how much?
Like
5,000.
Yeah, you know. I'd be like, dude, I mean, come on. You said you would give me one. Then where are they? I find her. No, she actually wanted me to be in her life for fun, for entertainment. But look at me today. I'm asking on my own. Whatever heaven and earth she was promising me, I didn't get it. So, and sad part, there's a lot of guys, valoring older woman. They will promise them heaven and earth, and then at the end of the day, you're not going to get it. As long as you can have sex with her. Some of them, there's a guy that I used to shoot some series together. This guy, he was telling me about this other cousin. Those guys were like kalatnyana kind of. He's a good-looking guys. There's this other old woman. Then I'm going to give you $1 million. I mean, Bunny Savel. So he didn't get that money. The woman now is having a baby. So you understand
is it because maybe they want good genes for their kids?
Exactly.
Yeah.
You understand that? Like a celebrity comes to South Africa. There's this lady who's a DJ or she approached the guy because of she wanted to have a baby with him. You understand that? I don't want to mention name. You understand that? So it happened. You understand that? So you gotta be careful. You gotta work for yourself. First, believing who somebody will give you money.
So how do you sustain relationships, my guy?
It's not easy. Even beside talking about the sugar mama and all that, in terms of relationship, somebody will age. It's not easy because we can just dress up and go into a mall and then come back home really sharp. I know if I can just bath and molong or go to movies or we go on vacation, I know I'd be like, oh, look at that guy. Look at that guy. Oh, or maybe we can just say, oh, this lady, she's lucky. So for her, hearing that, automatically she feels small. Maybe I'm not good enough for him. And when I get home, this person is starting to be grumpy, and then be like, why are we fighting? What's one? So you can fuck whoever you want at any time. I mean, like, it's me, you. Do you know? Let me tell you something. There was this other time I didn't want to lose this lady. Hey, angry, good-looking guys, if I put it in that way. But we are fucking around. We are having a lot of girls at once. So I said, you know what? I don't want to lose this lady. Let me allow her to access my phone. Let me allow her to go to my DMs. Let me allow her to access my phone. Let me allow her to answer calls if somebody's calling. Let me introduce her to my family. Maybe she won't have any insecurities. Guess what? That was just not enough. Every time she was complaining, why is this lady commenting on Facebook saying this about you? Hello? Because when I post a picture on Facebook or wherever, obviously I'll get complaining. Oh, good, this guy. Some girls are lucky. Hey, don't want to be my baby daddy. So when she go through that, when I get home, we're having a fight. It doesn't matter whether yesterday I took her out, we're having fun. We always have a fight. There's no way Loring Rekafeta Beki, Shenki Loring Rebelling. Okay, sharp. Let me come with another angle. Come blocker. But it's you block ile. Then because now you want to have fun. You want to have all them to yourself. Block ile because of now you want to be a real fuck boy. So every time I'm trying to play cool, every time each and every good-looking guy that you see around here, you have to know, or it's money to hank or muscle, they are trying to act or to do some kind of like a damage control because he's trying to prove a point, or I'm not like them. I'm not a fat boy that you see, or but complaining about good-looking guys. I'm not one of them. And sadly, I also drive the car that most people complain about. Or driver, you see, he's driving even this car. You know, it's not like you're Braga Koli and all that. You understand that? So as long as you drive that particular car, already, you are a player, you are fucking around. It's so funny. I remember the other time, and then I took about 2 weeks in the takes, right? So, but it happened. Look at Mohlabeng. It's not only that day. Even meeting a stranger, somebody who doesn't even know me at all. We have never met before. Driving to Santen in Joburg, most of the time I'm in Hammaskra. These people don't know me, never met me before. Sitting down, just maybe sitting next to me. Okay, my guy, tell me, how many girls do you have? Hey, Lang. So, when you see a guy like me, automatically, obviously, I'm fucking around. I'm having 15, 10 girls. And it's so funny because even these people that meeting our parents on the street, they are telling our parents, be like, oh, seriously.
So da lokopana le bomme ba bareng yo mokhonyana ha o nya ke ngwana ko hae kwa bomme ba ba rekisang bana ba bona straight because of you're a good looking guy.
It happened a lot. Moloring even le ba bang o kra maybe mama exaka au manya ex. I remember there's this ex of mine on the message are mine akwatile even her auntie, so you that girl outloetse azanga uyimisanyana usikhela. So as we were saying, as going back to that one, the sugar mama bakono o trap abantu because of ngora miss. So it happened as well. My loring banyana ba wisha ka ra itse bana bomme ba wisha ka ra itse keng o ka ra ka ba mokhonyana wa ke and things like that. You know, so
but when do you have kids
at this moment? This is for my first time. I've never said this before. Nobody knows about this. I have a child.
Wow.
Nobody knows about this because it's not really a secret. I'm just kind of a person. We made an agreement with the mother of the child that because of the banyana like baloring, you know, ba mosquitoes balapisa. We are protecting the child and her with whatever that is happening because they will approach her. They will try to do whatever. Hey, yeah, the father of the child.
Hey, we are this and
this. So for that drama, I don't want my child to grow up.
Like you play your part in the child's life
150%.
Okay. No, maybe o mo fitlile and then na o nya ke hutsa ha wena ona le ngwana le ena a itse ka wena.
No.
Then if you obviously you have to choose how you want to display your child.
Okay.
If you feel like you want to put your child in the public, then it's fine. If you feel like you know what you want to keep your child private, it's still cool.
Yeah.
They feel like, you know what, we don't have to post our kids on social media. Baban, they feel like we post our kids on social media. You know, there's more information. Baban, they feel like, no, it's not safe for my kids. So if you took a decision, I'm not gonna talk about my child in public. I'm not gonna post my child's pictures on social media. It's still okay. It's safe.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we because of that, and even the mother of the child as well, she said, you know what, Vince, let's not post our child. Now even on socials, she doesn't post our child. We are keeping it private because this one give Vince like a photocopy. You understand that? So we're trying to protect the child from paparazzi and then all. My people don't know this thing. My dad is black, is Pedi. My roots. So Maga, she's actually colored.
Okay.
Yes, my mom she's actually colored. So he mixed race in that way. So my mom, this is how my mom came up, right? Mama Hai, her mother was actually white, then the father was black.
So
So how my granny came about it, that one is a story for another day.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
I will explain it some other time on another interview. So So and you know what, Wikine? It's confusing because even people on the street sometimes be like, we don't understand you. Are you Nigerian? Are you Somalian? Because I also have beard, look at my hair.
Yeah.
I also have beard and things like that. So people normally ask questions. Like, then I normally say, come on, I'm actually American.
Yeah.
So yeah, just to cut the story short. So that's what I do.
How is your relationship with the guys? Like just normal guys. Rona so how are kopana lo ena ko tseleng rena lo behavior bjang ha ro bona o le teng mo spacing sa rona.
Wiki, I feel bad, my brother. I feel bad, and I will include I'm a very, very nice guy. I'm a very, very nice guy, and kinale a spirit of Ubuntu. You understand that? And then I feel for other guys. I feel I'm a very supportive guy, very humble, and then I can be there for you as long as I know that Wiki is my guy. I can be there for you. But this is the sad part. Most of the guys that I surround myself with, I know that it can last for about 3 months. If this guy is in a relationship, when the time goes on, their girlfriend or his girlfriend will talk about me. Oh, I like your guy. Your friend is a quite looking guy.
So di chomitsa how o palla ko keep a friendship le bona because banyana ba bona in a long run ba tlo thoma appreciate.
Yeah, there was also
Comment to go to
yeah. I saw with this guy, light-skinned guy. What is his name? Oh, his name is Vincent. Or if maybe before to oh, is this the guy talking about? Oh my goodness, he's looking good. Like he's a quite looking good guy. So now it come to a point where now this guy is starting to change. What is going on now?
Okay.
Why this guy now starting to act in a funny way? And then a funny part. If even other girls, when they ask them about me, or see me on TV, it's like, oh, we saw you with Vince. Are you friend with him? Fuck boy.
Hey.
Fuck boy. Do you also want him? Fuck boy. So
asangwa mo situation ya hore boyfriend le girlfriend balwe and then unahano ba lwela wena mara sa tlhalwanye pila.
It happened many times, my brother.
But telling story.
It happened many times. It happened
and then baba
physical fights. Already break up. This bone ke baba bye ba loring ke itse hore this guy nna re chomane and then wa ba loring. I wanna this thing sometimes ya di TV. Lona you irela mana ba mapa. There's this other time mo loring this girl na chitsile di chomitsa high. Boyfriend was there, right? And they were watching Skim Sam with the friends, and the guy was in another room, but you could hear them talking. So when they were while watching Skim Sam, funny part, look, just the extra. Imagine like an extra on TV, right? No lines, not a leading actor, no supporting actor, nothing. Just an extra sitting there right next to Lehasa. Cedric. All right. So when I hear the full story, so this lady be like, "I know this is Vince. Oh my goodness! Chomi, let me just scroll him. Let me just check the pictures where he's with my boyfriend. Oh, this guy. Woo! Yes, I know him." The guy's listening. Immediately, Banyana Labas Nozai. Then the guy went to the girl. So why were you screaming after seeing Vincent on TV? No, like I get to me, I know him via wena. He's your friend. He's also my friend. No, like never ever scream that boy. That boy can masipa moto. Fuck boy, Lona, you can fuck you at any time. Even like go and fuck with him. There's no way you can date me and then Otabala show me. I don't you can sleep with him. And from that day, unfortunately, the relationship ended. So now the lady and her friend came to me and say, "Hey, seeing you on TV and Rus Krimela, it cost love." From that day, the guy had more change.
The guy.
Nah, I acted cool because of I didn't have a problem with him. I felt like he was cold, man.
Yeah.
Why this guy now?
Yes.
You know, like this is no longer the guy that I know who changed it. What is happening? Scheme Sam.
Banyana bateng ba bana le ngolwela. or ba ba rohanang ka wena mara o kre ho sna o jolang le yena mo mara o kre banyana ba ngapana.
You know, Wiki, it's painful. Let me tell you, like started from primary school. This it rates up high from primary school. I remember scenario where the deputy principal called me to their office and be like, "Hey, wena, Mutula Mohlabeng, you are a problem." I grew up in church, Wiki, like I'm a nice guy, can I let me and all that. So now this guy is calling me in their office that I'm in trouble. I don't understand. What are you talking about now? And when I'm telling you, now you are a problem in our school. Say, what are you talking about? And then he called these other two girls. And then in the back of my mind, I was shit. The other one I was dating, the other one, she was a bully. She wanted to do whatever. Like not this thing bully abanyana go school and nampata that girl. So we found out that they were fighting for me go toilet go school. So minero one pizza or hey, when you are a problem, can these people were actually fighting for me go toilet. And yes, I was dating the other one. And the other one maybe later on what's a good later now we want to have you. That girl, she can't have you alone. So fast forward, when we are waking, we are all grown ups and all that. There's this other lady I was dating. I'm a romantic guy anyway. I drop chocolates, I drop flowers. So this lady, she didn't know that these people know me, right, via social media, and they're following my show on radio.
Okay.
Right? And then these two girls, they don't know that I'm dating her. So I went to her place with chocolates. Surprise. When I got there, the very same day in the morning, these two other ladies never competed. The other one was saying, you know what, now I bet I'm going to get him before you.
You're not you.
There was this other event I was going to attend, but I am going to find him. They saw me on the poster. I will find him there and I will make sure I will dress up and I know that you'll come to me. I'll even buy VVIP a ticket. As soon as I date a girl and a poster, so my attack. Babang Lily X Valoring, they can, some of them, they can post, they can send their pictures.
Oh, little pictures are called.
And now we can have him anytime we want, even though they are lying. You
talk about yourself as this clean guy. Do you also cheat, Mar? Have you cheated before?
It happened, and I apologize for the lady that I was dating. It happened. You understand that? And you know, when working,
Marwa pila, you not a cheating type.
I'm not really a cheating type. But when you are in media industry, these people, they will hunt you. And also maybe because of my looks as well, it's a disaster. A disaster. And even the work that I do, being MC, me being on TV, radio as well. Oh my goodness, the beauty pageant things, and temptation is too much.
Yeah. So but in simple words.
It happened. Yeah, it happened. And apologies to the girl that I was dating.
Yeah. So go on fail.
Okay, thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think if I'm not mistaken, one, twice, something like that. Yeah.
Now, because you talk a lot about television, let's get into it.
Okay.
The television part. People would ask, "Mardiman kemang abolelaga TV hanchi so like." Get us through the story of TV, of you on being on television.
All right. Be on TV. Remember, because of the compliments that I normally get, saying, "Echo, you are a good-looking guy. You should be on TV." And you must know that being on TV, you can earn a lot. You can make money, fast money. And I don't like being broke. I love money.
Yeah.
Everyone loves money anyway.
Yeah.
So, Kare, let me try this thing. I've tried the agency, and then I feel bad for people where they don't have no information, paying a lot of money, 4,000, 10,000 rand, before even getting a gig, hoping that if I can pay this person this money, gig because of do you see this person on TV? Do you see this person on this show? Do you see this person on this show? I'm their agent. So in order for you to be where like they them, are now or like them, you should pay me this much. And certainly at that time I didn't have information, so I paid a lot of money. I don't know how many, like more than 5 agencies, because I didn't have knowledge at that time. So it happened that one of the guys that I work, he's no longer working at the radio station. He said, "Hey Joe, Vince, like, you know what, I had a rumor that go scheme some, they want a good looking guy who's saving some kind of qualities with Lhasa. And they gave me that task. Should I ask them, should I send them your pictures?" God, no problem, you can send them my pictures. It happened that I immediately, the same day, I got a call from their coordinator, scheme some coordinator. I don't want to talk about his name because I heard that it's no longer working with them. So the guy called me saying, "Hi Vince, is it Vince?" I said, "Yes. Do you mind if you can come tomorrow?" God, what? Tomorrow? He said, "Tomorrow. Do you mind if you can come tomorrow at Sasani Studios, by the way?" Because people don't know, they don't understand. No, Scheme Sam is tough, probably shooting tough up. So do you mind if you can come to Sasani Studios in Joburg tomorrow? I'll be like, of course, I can come there. Because I remember, I know Sasani Studios, I attended the audition, it's a Rhythm City before, but anyway, I didn't win that gig. Okay. Then the following day, I went to Scheme Sam. Oh my goodness, UK, I didn't believe myself. Normally these guys, we meet them, got the inventing for the appearance. When I got there, everyone was there. Cedric was there. You guys know him as Lhasa. Clement Kwaito was there. Kat, you guys, Patrick, you guys know him as Kat, was there. Mapiti was there. Africa was there. Tate Maputa was there. All of them, they were welcoming. Very good, nice people, bro. The producers, I forgot his name. Pacey was there, producer Pacey was there. And then it's so funny because even some of the people, when I got there, they were calling me Lhasa, and I said like, "No, sorry man, Lhasa, sorry bro, hey, what." And other people the extras that we were shooting with them said, "You know what, if they can fire Lhasa or Lhasa's brother, I think they must just take you. I mean, come on, this is obvious." So when I got there, it was nice, set up everything, first time shooting Scheme Sam, bro. You know, when you're an extra, you are not sure whether you'll appear on TV. So for me, it was different, bro. Camera straight to my face, waiting for seconds. Everyone could see that one is Vince. When I go home, bro, like I after shooting, be now on screen. Oh my goodness! Now the number of girls that were after me, that it now increased now, crazy. When I go the following day, people were watching Scheme Sam. The following day, oh my goodness, crazy. You see, people, they can take this thing light of extra and whatnot, but bro, come on, it opens doors for me. There's so many gigs that I got because of that. And shout out to Scheme Sam producers and all that for giving me that opportunity. I really appreciate that. Then fast forward, being on Scheme Sam, and you know, every time when they call, so it didn't happen once, it happened many times. So every time when they call me, getting a call from the coordinator saying, "Vince, please come and shoot with us." Camera, and
so you ratile camera.
Bro, producers want why are you guys not giving me a role? This is what I want. But if it's not your time, it's not your time. You understand that? Only the time will tell. And then if it will be your time, then it will be your time. Nobody can stop that. So, but honestly speaking, it opened doors for me. Now, fast forward, now the organizers of Scandal now, they saw me on Scheme Sam. We want that guy. Okay, sharp. I got a call from them. They wanted my pictures, I sent them. Same features as well. A guy with a vibe. What? Call me on Scandal. Same thing. I was there. Camera. You know, people can take this thing light. And I feel sorry for other extras or those people who were extras, go to production, different productions. Because it can be there in Baskono one. So now, it's like, Vince, this is yours, baby boy. Take it. So every time when I was there, camera. You understand?
So is this the part ring, you know,
yeah, that's why I started saying maybe it's because of my looks. and then even people on the street be like, do you know why you are an extra, right? I say yes. Do you know why the camera, the producer were actually right on you? I said, I don't know, because you're a good looking guy. Be like, damn, this is now official. I can say now I'm a good looking guy, not arrogantly saying but I can say, you know what, I'm a good looking guy. I also got there's this other time I got a call from you guys. Maybe people watch Adulting. One of the guys that were acting is BU from Big Brother. So same thing, they call me because they saw me on Skim Sam as well as Scandal, say we want a good looking guy, and then more group one quite looking guys. I still have them. Zayn is this lot of, I can even name them, there's nothing wrong with that. Good looking guys shooting that, and then when I got home, or now I shoot that done, it's on TV, people will see me there. Oh my goodness. So and then me being there and now getting compliments, it started now creating hatred as well, also putting my life in danger.
Like being in danger.
It's funny because I'm not big, I'm not a celebrity yet. So funny, but now the kind of life that I'm living now, I watch out as if like I'm a kind of a criminal. You understand that? Because it come to a point. I remember that I was in a club, this guy, unknown Tula Fela, and be like, what up? No, and like no hot when I'm fan. Okay, bro, what's up? What? And when I do my own research, I found out this guy's dating some girl. I'm not saying type type or whatever standard, but I can't date the girl he's dating. You know, prayer fella, because of the same thing that happened. Got that story I was telling you. She was actually talking about good looking guy in our hood. And then unfortunately my name was also there. You see that. And also so this other woman, they are doing a lot of things in life. They will be somewhere in life. My name was also there. So this guy I remember I was just passing by and like when I'm you know, and this you know, and matlap and all that. I was like, when you're trying something, you making things worse for yourself. And when you're poor, you will die of hunger. So you will never know. So it's not good to be a good looking guy. I can say that.
It's not good, ne?
It's not. I'm telling you, it's not even funny. Because even at work, there are some ladies, she want to be next to you. Like she want to be your friend. You understand that? She want to be next to you because of like, you know, attention, and most of them. And when she's next to you, she can take pictures, right? And then her friend be like, "Ooh, friend, who's that?" Some of them, they can even lie.
Yeah.
You understand that? And it's so funny because I remember there's this other lady I was working with her. I'm not going to mention the name of the company and her name. So, because I'm a quite nice guy, I was being a good friend. This person catched feelings. And it's so funny, she was even telling her other friends, saying, "It's my man." And be like, and I found out later because this other time she asked me money and then she didn't want to give me back. You understand that? And then I actually find it out later. No, this person, she was actually dating you in her dreams. And when I didn't know, when type pila when tanzo mutho pila go let's say romo fast or something so that she can be yours. Now it's just being a good friend. But this person, along the way she catched feelings, I don't understand. But anyway, it happened. So it's funny because even at work, ladies, they want you to smash. They try that. They try, but they try. It happened many times. I give very companies there, but it happened many times. They really want to. Babang, she can just send you a nude picture. I'll mail that nude. And then after, I'm sorry, it was just a mistake. Right in the middle of the night, seriously. On Friday, you can see this person is actually thinking about me. I'm not a mistake. I'm going to picture that as hapar. Right now, if I can marry someone now or any lady, and then you know what, baby, I love you so much. I want to show you that I'm not hiding anything. Have my phone. We're not gonna last for a day. I'm telling you, she'll get a random picture all of a sudden from a stranger. Maybe also because of I'm also a radio presenter. Because of they hear my voice there, and they see me on TV. oh bro, it's come on, that. While you are trying to act cool, taking it out, you want to be a perfect man, but still you are a fat boy. Whereas you remember at that time of the lockdown, Moloring, you are spending like level 5, and then at that time, even our company, they gave us an opportunity to work from home. Spending 7 days with this person. At that time, I remember nako fleting, but still she had. I'm not saying she's insecure. She had trust issues. So you see, everything that you do is just not enough. She's thinking you are not good enough. She's not good enough for you. As long as you're a good-looking guy, every woman, she thinks she's not good enough, because every time, if she can just maybe say to her friends or colleagues, "This is my man," be like.
In your own thinking, do you think you're dating women by long hore wabaphala?
Not really. Kerata di cheap, Joe. Kerata di cheap. No, I'm not saying like kerata di.
I'm saying porque magaza ke yona taba mo thabe insecure tenen le na le pile.
Listen, Wikine, as long as you're a good-looking guy, this is the struggle. You have to know. This is the struggle. Or there's a woman out there who lorong hala. Every time, like she can't even post you, she can't even brag about you, because they'll be like, wish we can just have him, can just have piece of his meat. So it's a struggle every time. You have to, like, you will be attacked, and it's like the naturally you want you did nothing. Every time you're at fault. But every time we are damage control, even though you did nothing, because of you are a good looking guy. Normally somebody because of when karma guy, just be grateful because of it is not nice to be me. How nice? Because you'll never be a good boyfriend, because every time when you're sleeping with one who smile a fellow with the TV, you know, or maybe somebody's texting you or
Oh no, Roro Jola Litsa you come.
Oh, you're working with a it's at dinner. But look, take initiative, taking your own money, taking it out, but it will end in tears. When you get home, you guys are fighting. Why was that girl looking at you like that?
Yeah.
You understand that? Why was that girl?
So Jola no mar.
Right now, I can say I just broke up with the girl that I love so much, and I'm searching. So I want somebody who will understand that Vincent loved me so much. I can't that energy. I'm tired of doing
having to explain yourself all the time.
I can't anymore. To prove you every day that you are good enough for me. I love you. Come on. I will.
So why osakre role o le piatla so azang hwanna le nako elong hore o feel hore there was an offer ya hore o tsenemo mare maybe the person needed a different kind of a favor from you. In fact, before you answer that question, do you also get guys by long hore they want to smash you?
I want to tell you a story.
Yeah, like my
one is emotionally and the answer questions out the page.
Yeah.
Right now there's a big star on TV. There's a big star on TV, right? Before this guy will introduce you on this drama. Most people, they respect him, they know him, he's famous, he's everywhere, he's big in the industry. I remember there's this other time I was approached by this guy saw me on Scandal. So he's one of the producers at the other production company, big one. He said to me, this is the show that we are shooting at this moment. There's a new character that we'll introduce. We didn't run any audition yet. And I have a contract that I can give you right now. Said, then give me. Why are you not giving me? Said, but there'll be terms and conditions. Okay, come on, I will talk to me. Like, come on, I will do it. Okay, this guy has been following me on social media. He knows that I love Cape Town. He said, I know that you are you are a Cape Town person, you love Cape Town, you rata Kapa." I said, of course. How do you know? No, I follow you. Kane, this person, it's not like he was not just following me on social media. He actually wanted to sleep with me. So he said, this is Ampita Libitola, Ababola Libitola, that character that is on TV right now. You guys probably watch this thing like, if I can, to be like, I can't believe this. So he said, this is the new character that we're about to introduce on TV. If you can go to Cape Town with me, you can choose any hotel you want in Cape Town. This is the character that we're about to introduce on the show. This is the contract of that character. This is the amount that we'll be getting every month.
Yo. But once I don't.
Are, if you can go to Cape Town with me, you can choose whatever flight you want. Or you can even go use I don't know, SAA or whatever fly
and you can choose the hotel.
You can choose any hotel that you want, and I know nice hotels in Cape Town. You can choose your favorite hotel in Cape Town, and then good thing. And I wish, literally I even wish. So he said, you choose any hotel you want in Cape Town, and any hotel, any flight. You're going with me to Cape Town Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So the only thing I want from you, I just want to sleep with you from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do everything that I want with your body. We do everything that I want from you. Like, you have to give me. I just want to fool you. And then when you're in Cape Town, it's just only 1 hour. If you want to stroll fella, then you come back on Saturday during the day, and then even on Sunday during the day. 1 hour fell, then you come back, then I do whatever I want with your body. If you can do that,
then you get the role.
This is guaranteed. All the auditions are just going to be a procedure. We will call 200 people for auditions, but none of them will get that role. If you can sleep with me while you're in a Cape Town, this character is yours, contract is yours, guaranteed. It's a guy that I'm talking about, not a lady, a guy.
Yeah.
And
so it's all Mantanyola diamond.
Never like it's a guy who's a twin plug or a game.
Yeah.
He really wanted to get into my pants. And I sat down and be like, no.
But did you think about it? Like, was there a point you were like, you know what? Oh, it's tempting. Should I? Shouldn't I? Should I? Shouldn't?
Why is Wiki?
You thought about it again?
No, let me tell you something, ne? Let me tell you something. This is a true story, though. I look at him in the eyes and I said, I can't do that. Because, you know what? Let me tell you why I said I can't do it. Confidence. Like, confidence too much. There's no way you can be in media industry and then what like confidence. Like, people will be bored. Even you can't even host a show on radio. Like, people need to be entertained. You need to have that vavavoom. So I sat down and they'd be like, I can't do this. Vincent, how about your confidence? What's going to happen to you? I'm not against I respect them, the gay, the lesbian. I respect them. I love them. There's a lot of them. We chat and all that.
But so, you're talking about this one specific story. So this person, he offered you a job on a popular drama, and then he offered you a contract, provided you fly with him to Cape Town. You spend the whole weekend with him while he plays with you, like for the next 3 days. Then when you come back on Monday, then you'll be having the contract on your hand.
And I even today I wish to have a role like that. And even now when I look at this guy, I'm like, oh, Rory got it because of that. So I wish.
No, we're thinking, just give me 5 minutes or 20 minutes. Can I answer you tomorrow? Please, just give me some space to think about it. Like, I have it like on the spot.
2 things. 1, confidence.
Vince, on the spot.
On the spot.
I could say. I get
Yeah, I'm telling you.
I get it.
I am telling you.
Mota, offer us your dream job.
This role is yours. I can even give you the scripts. You can even read after Cape Town. You can even read from there while we're busy with auditions. Those people, they won't know that we already have our person. You'll be part of the audition, but we know that this is yours. I was given that.
So, ke kopelo etsa appeal. Whoever you are, who has this contract that you wanted to give to Vince, please create another role for him. Create another role for him. He's ready for your offer.
Unfortunately.
Create that role. Like, he is ready and he's very remorseful for rejecting your offer. He doesn't sleep. He thinks about it all the time. He regrets it. And he's just asking for one last chance. He's ready to fly with you to Cape Town. Please create another role. He's ready for you.
Listen, Wiki, let me tell you something. You see now.
Next time we see you on TV, then we know who that guy responded to this call.
Let me tell you something. You see, even now I'm still getting calls of being an extra. I no longer want to be an extra on TV. I've done that. I've been there, done that. I now want a role. But as you are saying, unfortunately, if I can get that opportunity, or a phone call saying come and play or act for this, get a role one, or being supporting or leading act, I will go. But unfortunately, in the right way, via audition, no snore out
we writing. Like, do you know what these people, what everybody has done to be where they are? Do you know? You don't know. Nobody knows what Mangwezi saying or Rafika guy.
Wiki, do you know how ke banyana ba ba baya ne ba lo re shootile le bona ba di extra ne?
Yeah.
Ba lo reng you find that a guy uno tshwara di light or di cable intse re shoot go productioning ngwana ba thomo lebeletse, so o propose just hitting on the girl, say, you know what, una go dumela ke tlo squeeze in and what. I mean, the guy doesn't even have powers for that particular production. He's just like motho tshwara di light fela. He doesn't have powers. He doesn't high, doesn't fire, it doesn't have any powers. Uno tshwara the cable fella behind the cameraman or the light, it doesn't have powers. There's a lot of girls out there, and I want to say this, even parents out there, they must warn their children. There's a lot of pretty girls, they wish to be on TV, they probably wish to be on radio, but and she's saying, I will do whatever it takes to be there. And then it's so funny because of these guys, and some of them, they're even taking pictures with them and all that. Or some of these guys that are working behind the scene, it's not even a producer. Oh no, what delight they fell. I'm not underestimating them or whatsoever. They are telling these girls or extras, or you know what, give me that, and then I will squeeze it. They are not going to do that.
So maybe, Luana, that's one of the reasons you refused.
I didn't get, yeah, that's maybe that's one of the reasons to deal with some cases, that superstar or that
maybe that's one of the reasons,
big numbers.
That's one of the reasons you couldn't get or you refused to go with the guy to Cape Town, because you thought, or he might be lying to you.
No.
What if ofitla kwa a khotla weekend a khotla oxosa
it doesn't matter, even if neke signile le lawyer itlile, but if you sign this, like the commissioner, even police, but sign this after sleeping with this person, then I want boobs. And how about my confidence? Krata daso brawaga kumsading songore, you know, I unfortunately. and another thing, I also, I know bansogodi samotseleng, the gays and all that. I love you guys and all that, but guys, let's get them fast. As
I'm about DM.
Yo. This past weekend, the Omon Rometse DM are don't do one drinks. this past weekend. A couldn't go lebitso la hae. Please, nagenda motho le bo ausi asina le you know, yeah, please assembly. It's so sad, Wiki, because I'm just driving just a simple car. Mama skral and it happened many times. Melorong koraloro mogay ontse mo hengwanyana a karata nna mo haflina ngwanyana no ilo chiftiwa anne ka sa telela korna I'm not allowed to sit next to his girlfriend as if I will take the girl away from him. So it happened many times. Melorong, even guys they don't even want me to sit next to their girlfriends when we're going somewhere, not using my car, using someone's car. Hey, bona, they'll make alternatives. Sorry, now feeling. It's so sad. It's so sad. I feel like okay, I don't belong most of the time. Especially when I'm the couple or guy or no, Vincent is coming over. Ngwanyana hai batam fa rules. Hey, bona, look, now, baby. Hey, Vincent, please stay in your room. Don't come to us. And then, oh my goodness, seriously. So I suffer a lot, Meloring. Sometimes I can't even have fun with the people that I know. It's sad. I'm not sure about that. Nagarata Brock Lesnar, and I'm a physical man, and then gets about Twara at the same time. So I'm not sure whether about light-skinned guys better or whatever. Now for me, if somebody is trying to fight me, unfortunately I'm not gonna fight. I'm going to be a stupid. You see that coward? I will run away. Why? Because I'm trying to save my life. And another thing, I normally hear this, or when these guys or these people fight with a good-looking guy, the only thing they want to scratch your face.
You're not you.
Especially if you can find that they're jealous of you. They're not gonna break your leg. They're not gonna. They will scratch your face. They will do something so that you cannot be attractive. They will just do something to ruin your face. That's what they want, and that is what exactly that will make them happy. Even Lebanyana by Loring, she's tired of you if you are a good-looking guy. Bon, the moment she start with her dramas or all the tricks that you're done, she will make sure that it's either outside the AC to she do something Moloring, you won't be attractive anymore. She will just do something to ruin your life, especially on your face. So it's dangerous. That's why I say, as soon as I see a fight or somebody is planning to fight me, I run away. It happened many times. Bona ising bana. When irala blind. Irala blind when irala bona. It happened, bro. It happened. I remember.
And then do you dump them?
Unfortunately, you know what? This thing, ladies can agree with me on this one. But him nakarao better. I can apologize. You will repeat the same thing again. It doesn't matter whether he's cry, you will cry, say, baby, I want to back, or you call the family, let's fix it or whatever. It's just out of 100%, it's just only one person that can be genuine and then ask Albert. So if a lady can do that, she would. It happened many times. I remember this two girls nearly tried to kill me. And sadly, both of those girls, I introduced them to my family.
Yo.
It's sad, bro. It's sad.
So I'm going down or banyana kam ko ba Jolan Luena. Ba feletsa ba obsessed to a point or ba go tshwara ka ditlhare.
There's this other lady that I was dating, right? So it happened that we got into a fight, Malor, and we don't even talk anymore.
Yeah.
Then obviously, because I was feeling lonely, it happened that ka fasa this lady. Then I took her to my house, right? Yeah. So this lady, she actually wanted to have me all to herself.
Yeah.
This person, she carried mood. You know what happened? Yes, Robert. The following day, then ke thoma tlhabiyo kompeto.
O motlisitseng o momphiao ke ena tlileng le ditlhare.
O tle ditlhare.
O momphiao o ntse le rebound.
Only rebound, I can say that, yes.
And then atisa dilo tsa hore ha o ka lokisa lo ola wa ko morao le tlhotlhonyela.
Any girl o le reng o tla mo mpetong wa ka ke a lumiwa. If ka nonna le ngwanyana mo mpetong wa le ena ngwanyana lumiwa, then if she go home mara since I come to your house ka lumiwa, now my sister le na wa lumiwa, the same thing. What is happening?
Asematsetse mara.
Asematsetse brawa ke ntlo I couldn't see. I couldn't see. I suffered a lot. A week is not even fun. It's not even funny. I didn't even believe in witchcraft, eh? Yeah. But from that day, I started believing what to exist. Somebody even said, I must it got to a point, Vincent, what are you going to do? I didn't share this with my mom. Then I went to this other pastor. He prayed for me for some things to drink. And then he said to me, I mustn't have sex for 7 days. And then prayed for me. From that time, then at least that thing eventually stopped.
Wow.
Wiki, even when I was at work, I couldn't sit down. Like there was something so before visiting that pastor. So you see that somebody saying, I wish one day I can be a good-looking guy so that I can smash any girl that I want. Hey, this thing is having disadvantages. This person or a good-looking guy that you want to be, it's a problem because some ladies out there, she will want to have you forever. Even if you start one night, you want to smash, she's coming along with something else to keep you forever in her life. And unfortunately, it will be some of them, they'll come with muti to keep you in her life. Somebody said to me, if you can find a lady, find that she's very close with her mother. Ingozi lab.
You.
But I'm not saying all of them are doing or they are playing that game. But somebody said to me, if you can find a beautiful lady, find that she's a friend with her mother. Ingozi lab. But I don't believe that.
Danger Ingozi Hafar.
You understand that? But answering your question, Chief Buluibu thing, they appeal. Okay, this guy, I give him money. I'm giving him my life, like whatever, even in bed, I give him world, but still it's not into me. Then she go back home to her mother and say, Mommy, I'm trying to keep this guy. I don't cheat. I'm cooking nice, but he doesn't want me. Unfortunately, the only route that she will take is witchcraft. Her mother will say, let's go and let's take you to our auntie in Venda. And to tell the truth, these people, she can even travel to Mozambique. She can travel to Malawi just to have wiki in her life.
Would you avail yourself if somebody wants maybe Mr. Pat function kai or maybe they go kai kili couple hana partner, but they can rent you for the day? Not that after the event you're going to have sex with them. No, just for that particular event, and then from there like you see, rent Mr. Pat.
I wouldn't mind to be booked for appearance, but to act like I'm your partner, that's not scheme sam. Scheme sam, scandal, all those things. That is TV. I'm getting paid for that. It's TV, and then after cut, then you're going back to reality. Yeah. So that one, it's at home. These people catch feelings, man. You'll be in trouble. After the event, this person wouldn't even want you to go home. Oh, and she can even pour something in your drink. It's a lot that is happening. It's a lot. Guys need to be careful. They will pour something in your drink and then you will wake up after 10 hours. I'm telling you, you'll wake up after 10 hours and then you can sleep and then adile another feet. So it's not safe anymore. It's not safe. I admire this. You see, Chris Brown was performing in our country. I believe there was a lady somewhere, because it's a good looking guy. It's a pretty guy. I'm pretty sure there was some lady somewhere in the stand. She just wished that, I wish maybe let's go home, put the over bang.
Yeah.
And it's not gonna happen.
One-on-one. How many Chris Brown Wampala?
Now Chris Brown say he can dance.
No, grafela kaspat mo kadi looks.
Of course. Chris Breezy. Come on. The guy is like
Wampala.
No, Wampala. Top.
Wana so tsona nne chelete le di tattoo and
No. I don't and for those people who don't know, I don't even have one tattoo, and I will never get one. And not because of his having tattoo and all that, not because of his America or he's from wherever. Come on, guy, the guy is a good looking guy. I don't know. Maybe
but right now you're a good looking guy.
as they're saying, I can say yes now.
Okay.
I wasn't saying that, but because of people are saying that, I'm just joining the chorus.
What is it that you want people to know about Vince?
Vince out here sharp, out here playing about with guy full of I have a spirit of Ubuntu, and I'm a radio and TV personality. I love people, I love my people, and I love Hammaskral, I love Pretoria. More importantly, I also love people from Limpopo. And please, good looking guys, be careful. There'll be ladies out there lying to you saying, just give me a child. I only want a child. I don't want you. I want the child. Ngimise, then I'll look after the child. It's a lie. In the next coming years, she'll come after you. And of course, those who want to follow me on social media, I'm available on Twitter at Vince_worldwide, Facebook Vince Africa Mohlabeng, Instagram Vince Africa Mohlabeng, and then email address just mohlabengvince@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Catch me on radio, catch me on YouTube and everywhere.
Brother, I really appreciate. Thank you so much for being honest, for sharing your story, for sharing your troubles. All matata ba batho ba fele, and as much as re kana hano ra di man matata ya tshwenye, but you can tell hore it gives you a lot of problems.
Too much, it's not even funny.
Vince the Mastermind, Kasona Style said that's how we wrap up today's episode of Speak and Frostan with Wiki Demdwa.
go le bokete ra rakika tumetsa bopela gao le faile khale re sa bui santse ke le ngwana gao dithapelo di arabile le tsa me o tla dutlwa ka le ka kapalelwa botselo ba ntsoka. I heard them talk about success, I never had the taste of that. Le nna mpike di ya tla go pumpumule all my tears. Satano unkebetse, he pretends to be my friend. Unkudwe ke rapela, father grab me by the hand. That batlo boela kwa ke tswang boni setsetsela gore ke bone pila kwa ke yang. Wena fela ramasedi aka khono nkutwelang botlhoko fa go sena ope yong kamogelang le bolwetse mo mmeleng go sena ope yo mpatlang. Bane ba re ditsala marka jeno bantshaba ke sa istifal dikela gore ka jeno ke tla jang tumelo tlampidisa mdimo ga ke tantatla malibongwe kama tiko ya ya bena go ke sentse ka buinela ka bojalwa le lefufa mo teng gameleng ke tsa ke bue maka ke sa itse le rato keng ke tse ke thuba malapa le lemele sa tlhapa le tletse di tlhapa satane a itumela a mphopotha magetla a ntshepisa tse monate a re muswa go wetla a re ke ena ramasedi ke dumela mo go ena ene ya re ka tsatsi lengwe ke tswalelwa ka sele ke tshepa go rotlatla a tlonkgolola go nne khale ke mo direla mme ka bona itatola a re la kwa mefedile ga ke sana mosola ka ithuta go kuba majeso a tlampofola a inteballa dipetsa metsotlhe a intshwarela a nthuta tsela go ya tempeleng ke kana gore jeso ke ena ka mo direla igama lakhe malibongwe igama liyatiko ya
thapelo bona jaanong ke pila ke tla mo rorisa ke sena ditlhong ke bina di fela Jesu ke na bophelo ba ka ke na neteletsela Satan re mo paletse mo a ka ske a feta a ka se tlhole a mfura ka molla Jesu ke a mo fisa wisa in the name of Jesus ke a mo jikisa di hele ke sutlhile ke itsubala Bible ke itsu rata mongwe ka nna ke katoge di sele ke itsu leboga tsotlhe tse modimo a mphileng ke itsu tsosa yo weleng ke mo lebise kerekeng ke mo lebise kerekeng igama lakhe malibongwe malibongwe igama likaThixo malidunyiswe